नमस्ते। खुश रहो बिटिया। I, JVN Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today I will discuss about the topic GCP obligation for investigators. This topic belongs to the Pharmaceutical Regulatory Affairs for B Pharm 8th semester. Now we move to the what are clinical trials. Clinical trials of any investigation in human subject intended to discover or verify the clinical, pharmacological, and or other pharmacodynamic effects of an investigational products and or to identify any adverse reactions to an investigational product and or to study absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion of an investigational product with the object of ascertaining its safety and or efficacy. The terms clinical trial and clinical study uh, are synonymous. What is GCP? Good clinical practice is a standard for the design, conduct, performance, monitoring, auditing, recording, analysis, and reporting of clinical trials that provides assurance that the data and reported results are credible and accurate, and that the rights, integrity, and confidentiality of trial subject are protected. Why GCP? International cooperation. Good clinical practices divided into different parts. First one is international cooperation, possibility of publications, eligible data for healthcare authorities, protection against unreasonable legal proceedings, protection of rights, safety, and well-being of trial subject. Why ICH-JCP? The birth of ICH took place at a meeting in April 1990 hosted by EFPIA in Brazil, a representative of the regulatory agencies and industry association of Europe, Japan, and the US, primarily to plan an international conference. But the meeting also discussed the wider implementation and terms of reference of ICH. At the first ICH steering committee meeting of ICH, the terms of reference were agreed and it was decided that the topics selected for harmonization would be divided into safety, quality, and efficacy to reflect the three criteria which are the basis for approving and authorizing new medicinal product. Heading means efficacy and is concerned with the design, conduct, safety, and reporting of trial. As of November 2005, within the new conditional revisions to an ICH guideline are shown as R1, R2, R3 depending on the number of revisions. Annexure of addenda to guideline have now been incorporated to the core guideline. So when was ICH-GCP published in any addenda? Step 4 in May 1996. This good clinical practice document described the responsibilities and expectations of all participants in the conduct of clinical trial, including investigators, monitors, sponsors, and IRBs. The E6R2 integrated addendum has reached step 2 of the ICH process in June 2015. The complement the harmonized ICH E6 guideline, which was finalized in May 1996. This addendum is proposed to modernize ICH E6 to enable implementation of innovative approaches to clinical trial design, management and oversight, conduct documentation and reporting that will better ensure human subject protection and data quality. What is GCP requirements? Patients' well-being is the priority. Clinical trial must be conducted in compliance with the scientifically well-grounded protocols. Preliminary ethical expert review by independent ethics committees, patients informed consent, high quality eligible source, records and secondary data, safety reporting, and study drug accountability. So investigators, representatives, good clinical practice, consolidated guidance, investigator. 21 CFR Part 312 Investigational New Drug Application. These regulations, which resemble GCP guidelines, are enforceable in the United States. For a study conducted outside of the US, but in ICH region, compliance with the provisions of GCP guidelines ICH E6 ensure that the studies will accepted for review by FDA as non-US, non-IND studies under FDA regulation for accepting such non-US and non-IND studies. Investigator responsibilities according to GCP, responsibilities in the preparation of clinical trial, responsibilities during clinical trial startup, responsibilities within clinical trial conduct, and responsibilities after study closures. Responsibilities in the preparation for clinical trial, the investigators should be qualified by education, training, and experiences to assume responsibility for the proper conduct of the trial should meet all the qualifications specified by the applicable regulatory requirement. So the investigator should be thoroughly familiar with the appropriate use of investigational product as described in the product in the current investigator's brochure in the product information and in other information sources provided by the sponsor. The investigator should maintain a list of appropriately qualified persons to whom the investigator has delegated significant trial related duties. They should know the study protocol, the appropriate use of the investigational product, and be aware of their responsibilities within the clinical trial. So the responsibility in the preparation of clinical trial, protocol review assessment, inclusion exclusion criteria. So this is very important part of the responsibility in the preparation of clinical trial. The investigators should be able to demonstrate, example based on retrospective data, a potential for recruiting the required number of sustainable subject within the agreed recruitment period. Assess inclusion, exclusion criteria and review informed consent form. Check annual statistic records. Think how the patients would perceive the study information, evaluate risk-benefit ratio for the patients. The investigator should provide evidence of such qualification through up-to-date curriculum vitae and other relevant documentation requested by the sponsor. The IRB, IEC, and or the regulatory authorities GCP guidelines 4.1.1. The investigator should maintain a list of appropriately qualified persons to whom the investigator has delegated significant trial related duties. Document to provided curriculum vitae of the principal investigator and his or her study signature. So this is the complete session for GCP for investigators. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, and hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. And thank you for the